Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 30th of May. Ooh, I'm jumping into May. Calm down, calm down. The 30th of April, Capricorn, yesterday was the Canadians' election day. Yes, so you on this channel, Jacaronium the Alien, weeks ago, I was trying to look for the video. I couldn't find it. We were talking about Polivier and how they left something at my door, so I had to, promote what was happening. But before that, we were talking about who would have been the head of the Liberal Party and the candidates. Now, from months ago, I told you that the man with 4 kids was the one that I believed in most, because if he was willing to stay with his wife after 4 kids, then that shows you that's a man of commitment. Mark Carney is now the 24th Prime Minister of Canada. Google, Microsoft Bling has Mark Carney as the 24th President of Canada. Meanwhile, Google, you have him as candidate of the House of Commons. Change it. He is now the Prime Minister, not only the leader of the Liberal Party, but the Prime Minister of Canada. Carby. And there was something lucky about his name. I won't lie. Anyways, the Canadian people, you have voted. You have selected who you wanted to run this country. So we're just really hoping that the man you said. I've been in Canada for 5 years, and every time when I have election, when I end up go back on the word. Oh, we can't believe we did this. We can't believe we did that. Yeah, you know what I mean? Just like how you can't believe you had a baby for that man. I know you're on child support. Like you can't believe that you met that man have sex with you without a condom and without a ring. Anyways, Carney was my choice from day one. We talked about that people wanted. The people were really voting for Polivier. They were. But I'm not gonna lie. I saw something in Carney. It's probably the similarity in last name. Either way, he is 60 years old. He is a Pisces and he is a father of 4. Diane Vox Carney, I see you, baby. What's up? You should know that the only reason why that Mark Carney could be the leader of the Canadian Party is because you were the real leader of the household. Remember, sweetie, it's not only about packing your briefcase and showing up for the Canadian people. You have to make sure that you're awakened in bed with someone you love. And that is where Diana Fox Carney came in. So Diana Fox Carney, thank you so much for administering service and pampership to Mark Carney to give him the strength to win this election, so that he is now the 20 how much? 20 how much? Oh my God. He is the... Sorry, I have to go back to Microsoft Bling. Google, what the fuck is happening? Y'all slow. Anyways, the 24th Prime Minister of Canada. So, félicitations, congratulations. And we just hope that not only we keep Canada an independent place, since there is talks about Canada not being for sale, but hopefully we can build upon the economy of the people, and hopefully whatever Mark Carney's platform was, he will keep his word and the people will see a difference. Because y'all can't keep voting for people and then the next day you say, oh, I hate this. Why would we do? Is y'all vote for him? Okay? This is great. Anyways, let's go into your reading. Capricorn, the devil. All right, let's go. Let's see what's in your reading today. I told you, out of all the candidates for the Liberal Party, when I was reading it on my channel, I can't remember the reading. Oh. The one with the most kids are the one I say, yeah, I feel like he would have been a better leader. I didn't know he was going to be the leader of Canada. The spell worked. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. We have the star card. The spell did work. So we have a star card. Now, this could also be something about something taboo that happened before, after the election. The star card is usually notoriety. Now, the star card could be a very taboo female who is advocating for you. That's like the OnlyFans. That's like an OnlyFans girl saying, oh my God, listen, the Liberals should win. And let me tell you something also. I am very happy that the Liberals won. I can stay to my cannabis. Because I won't lie, Mr. Carney. I was thinking if the Conservatives won, because I'm already getting discriminated against smoking cannabis. But I kind of think that if the Conservatives had won, everything would have turned on one alcohol place. Kind of glad that the Liberals won. It kind of gave me, like, it just makes cannabis feel more liberating. Okay, so I'm glad that cannabis conservative is the alcohol team, cannabis are the liberal team. And you might be like, that's so vain, you vote for a prime minister just so you could enjoy what Bob Marley was enjoying? Yes, bitch. My motherfucking brothers and sisters got arrested, felony charges over the same motherfucking plan. So yes, I am very happy that the liberals won. It stayed cannabis-like. It was giving indica, sativa, and hybrid. So I'm kind of glad. Anyways, the star card could be like an OnlyFans, like somebody who don't have nothing to do with politics, talking about, yeah, I'm advocating. Maybe when somebody just started advocating for you, you were like, oh my God, this bitch clit's gonna fuck up my whole race. I'm getting maybe that woman that you may know to be very taboo might have had something to do with it. The star card, that's a star card, okay? So I'm getting something about an Aquarius. We also have the Hermit. Yeah, I'm getting, you don't know, I'm getting, you, but not, the Hermit with the star card could be something about a hidden identity. You don't know someone's real identity. Or you only see this image of the person on the outside. You don't know what they are on the inside. You know, like everybody saw Marilyn Monroe as a sex icon. Yeah, but she was a spy for the government too. And she was sleeping with John F. Kennedy. So I'm getting something about I'm getting the star, this woman, she have more to do with something than you think. But also getting something about the identity of this woman. We're getting something about a Virgo. Alright. We have the 9 of Cups. We have the 8 of Cups. And we also have the Sun card. Now, for others of you, okay, not talking about election. So I'm getting you being a celebrity, you're here, okay? So I'm getting you here. You've been alone for a very long time. And then you meet this man. It could be a Virgo man you meet. And we're getting everything was going well and was talking about a wedding, family, all of these things. But right as the engagements, okay, we're getting an engagement is off. I'm kind of getting someone said the engagement is off because somebody get pregnant. No, women, I'm going to tell you this. When you, especially when you're up in your career where you have money, you have a steady source of income, and the only thing you're focused on now is love. Do not make the man give you a baby before him give you the ring. What the fuck is wrong with you now? Look upon Coralie. I saw she named Coralie. Coralie just get pregnant for this bacteria looking guy. And then while she's pregnant, it must have posted a picture of this girl. Her body size is nothing like Coralie's body size. It probably full up of silicone, but that's what some of y'all toxic people like. And she's pregnant. Coralie is a tiny. Coralie tiny. I don't know if she's tiny like me, but Coralie tiny. And she pregnant, and him post this girl of this, like, post this picture of this body girl. Coralie, I would not make him come at the baby shower either. And I see him post, I don't even know his name, because I only know Coralie, right? Because girls just want to have fun, right? Now Coralie that, by catch another flight, apple bottom make him want to bite. He did not buy the apple bottom, Coralie. You bought the, you bit the apple. Because I don't know why you curse yourself to carry a baby for a man like that. What the fuck is wrong with these girls? Anyways, do not make him come to baby shower. You're talking about what would your kids think if you have OnlyFans? What your daughter or son gonna think when Wiley was pregnant inside the womb? Yeah, try to pull a shit like that upon Coralie. You know she could have killed herself. You know she could have got through depression, but you not care. You are a man. You not care. Because bitch is still gonna be there. Bitch is still gonna do anything for money, right? Don't make him come to blood clot baby shower. Make him pay for it. And then gonna stay in blood clot yard. Girls, you need to fucking wise up now. And I'm not talking about wising up as in you're wholly kid against the man. The man going to know, so when you misbehave, there's consequences for it. With or without a child. Me getting something about the original argument was being with you, getting married to you, moving in together. Then for some reason that's me getting situation went left and then a baby came in the picture. Wait. And I'll be honest with you, even if I come back to her and say, okay, I'm sorry for posting other girls, I'm sorry for disrespecting you online, can we get married? Don't marry him. You're fucking mad. Don't marry him, girl. Do not. Don't do that. Don't do that. Now accept no blood clot ring that way from him. Let's continue the reading. Come getting you're a celebrity, you were on your own. And Coralie, out of every man you could have sex with, why you have sex with him? Corley, really? Really, Corley? Really? That's such a name? I'm sorry. You know, I don't really have a good thing with calling actors. Artist name. Hold on. A correlation name. Why I can't find her? What's happening? Wait. It's Corey Leary. My apologies, Corey. Corey! Beautiful woman, slim body. You're born May the 11th. Corey. I'm sorry. Is Koi? Koi? My apologies. Koi, you're born May the 11th. You're born 2 days before me. Not the same year. But me and you are Taurus. Yeah, you saw our body look, it's almost the same. Yeah, Corey. Sorry. Koi? Girl, me don't know why you get pregnant for that man. Oh, him name Triple Red. Him look like a bacteria, I'll be very honest with you. I don't know why the fuck you do that to yourself. Koi, you think him and you on the same level? Anyways, he's a Taurus girl. It's terrible. But I mean, what do I know, right? I am divorced. And I am sure this time I'm a blood. Listen, I'm going into my birth month single. I don't ever want fuck leading up to my birthday. That's how I feel. I'm gonna make sure say everything I read, it's gonna read out in April. I don't ever want fuck for my birthday, to be very honest with you. Let's go. The star card is clarified by the devil. Yeah. So again, maybe if this have to do with politics, me getting this woman, me getting she more connected to the industry than you know. 2 naked card, Lord Jesus. She more connected to the industry than you know, the devil card. You might see somebody even if you see somebody naked body, you see them dressed skimpy, you could have seen them on OnlyFans. You need to know them pull enough blood clot strings. Anyways, or them have a lot of people who listen to them behind the scenes. Again, say a girl like Koi, say a girl like Lire, the devil card. Yeah, so the devil trick you. You achieve your dreams, you achieve everything on your own. You know how much girl want be you? You know how much girl want weigh the same amount you weigh? And you get pregnant for this guy. Look what you get pregnant for. Look what you're tied to now. The Hermit card is clarified by the star card again. Double star. 2 star. 2 celebrities. 2 sisters. Is somebody lesbian? Me getting star. Somebody's Aquarius sun. Aquarius another node. Me getting you don't know about this star. You may not know if something was corrupted. And you know this star from doing something very taboo. The Hermit is covered also, is a star also. Yeah, I'm getting somebody's a part of a Freemason organization or Freemasons listen to them. We don't know who this, what is this. We have a star card 2 times. Capricorn, isn't this your reading? Hi Capricorn, isn't this your reading? Yeah, the devil? Yeah, the devil is a lie. The devil is a lie. Or who them claim to be the devil is a lie. The 9 of Cups is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. The 8 of Cups is clarified by the Moon card. And the Sun card, the pregnancy, is clarified by the Angel. So I'm getting your baby supposed to be Leo baby. Your baby going to be Sagittarius baby. The good thing is you're not angry with him enough to terminate the pregnancy, which is great. I'm getting your baby going to be so cute. Your baby are so koi. Your baby are beautiful. The baby have curly hair. I'm getting something about a baby boy. It might not be a boy, but I'm just saying. Fire. It could be something about a baby boy. It said I should have 1 child. Like already? Or we're talking about the one that is coming here? Okay, she have a daughter already. I'm getting something about a baby boy. Or something about a Sagittarius. Or something about him have a baby on the way again. Him already have a baby on the way. with another body like you. How the fuck you take up somebody like Koi Leary, the star, get her pregnant, and then you post her Instagram body? What the fuck wrong with them, man? Yeah? You take up a real celebrity. You get her pregnant. And then whatever you and her go through because she under pregnancy hormones, you post another girl. We have the opposite body from Corey. Everything about the girl in post is the opposite. You do it for her to her. Because it no matter how much money she have, her body can never be like that. Never. It no matter how much surgery she do, her body is not proportioned that way. Koi, she's slim. You do that for her to her. And you post another girl on your social media all while she's pregnant. What she for do? Go date? What she for do if she have a broken heart? You don't want her suffer. Don't make him come no blood. You see, it's up to you though. You make him come the baby shower, it just solidify how stupid you are. Cause me don't know if you don't look around Hollywood and see what happened. The only fucking shoe got it right was Sierra. I bet you start loving me soon as I start loving so. Sierra was the only person who said got it right. You never look around. You don't see what happened to Cardi B. You not see what happened to all the other rap. And baby, future upon future. You think this bacteria 2.0 is nothing compared to future? Because I'm going to say what I have to say and I don't really care. Hello, I do not know you. How could you say? What do you mean you don't know me? How could you don't see what happened around in Hollywood? I bet it says a girl he didn't want hype on. The same girl you hype on is the same girl he went back to after you got pregnant. You don't know how them man you see already? You think baby's nothing? At least Little Dirk got married. I can say that at least Little Dirk say, you know what, man, marry her. Marriage. Anyways, let's get some of these cards and leave it here. We have Shark. We have Taurus. Yeah, Koi, Lire. She's a Taurus. She born May the 11th. Girl, but born 2 days after you. Your birthday come up. My own come up too. Taurus. Girl, it's all about you. You build up your empire and now him gonna talk about him a pay for baby shower. You're supposed to blood clot pay feet your bum ass germ. You're supposed to blood clot pay feet where you didn't want. You want Koi get humiliation plus pay for your own baby shower. You don't pay feet, you not go. Go suck your mother, pussy hole. You not for go suck your mother. That is what you get. He's a terrible representation of a parent or a father. What kind of memories Koi, what kind of memories she have to tell her son or daughter now? Make him pay the whole of the blood clotting and run him. Secret society. Again, me getting somebody who you fuck over or somebody who you say, oh, she just a prostitute. She just a bitch who spread her legs. Okay. You never know who this woman was connected to. You get fucked. One more. Yeah, Virgo. Maybe she's connected to a Virgo. Yeah, isn't Virgo here? Maybe she's connected. Yeah, me getting the brotherhood, the clothing, me getting some Mason argument. Capricorn, you showed up, so that's really all that matters. The devil is a lie. And remember, Capricorn rules over compulsory disorder. Capricorn rules toxicity. It rules abuse, narcissist abuse, people who will try to tie you to the devil. A man and a woman being tied to the devil for no reason. That's what this bacteria did to Miss Leary. Now you're tied to him. Now him up on social. Right after I post a picture of the other girl with her ass. Underneath that post is, she don't want me pay. My girl obsessed because she don't want me pay for the baby shower. So I would not make it be there either. I wouldn't even make it into the hospital room to see how much say open and close. It's a nasty germ. You'll be treated like one. How dare you do that to her? Body catching on the flight. Apple bottom make him wanna, because girls just wanna have fun, right? You did that to she because she's tiny. You could have put her in your pocket and bring her on tour. What the fuck is wrong with these niggas? Terrible choice, story. Sorry, not Tori. Koi? Terrible choice. And you're a Taurus. You're too pretty for that. You're way too pretty for that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.